So we have completed 11 chapters. Now we are on chapter number 12, in which we will learn about handling multiple return values. This get function is, for example, we have seen that the return multiple values. That look at how to handle them. Here it is. We can return multiple value like this also. We can get it in 3 different variables like this. And if we don't want first 2 variable and just want C, then we can also write it like that. So let's put it to the test. Time for interrupt the contract. Let's make a function that gets the kitty genus from genes from the contract. Make a function called feed on kitty. It will take 2 parameter, uint parameter, zombie id and kitty id, and should be a public function. Okay, let's create a public function. Create a function feed on kitty uint zombie id comma uint kitty id public. The function should first declare uint name kitty DNA. Let's variable uint kitty DNA. So as we know that uint 256 is equal to uint, because here we are returning uint 256, but we are creating a uint only, so it's same, so don't worry about it. Then the function should then call a kitty dot contract kitty contract dot kitty function, add kitty function with the kitty id and store genes in the kitty id. Okay, now let's call the function here, kitty contract dot get kitty. We will pass the kitty id here, and let's take a genes in it. So we just want the last one, this one. So let's just write them here, and just delete the variables name as we don't want them. We just want the last one. Let's just last one, there it is, and we will name it ktDNA. We'll get in this variable. Okay. Excuse me. The function should return the function gradient stored the in the kitty id. Remember, get kitty returns 10 of variable, 10 to be exact. I'm counted 10 for you, but all we care about this is the last one. Genes, count your commas carefully. Okay, we have just copied and just remove the other variable's name and just keep the genes. So we will have a genes in the kitty DNA. Now let's at the final line. Finally, the function should call the feed and multiply function. Feed and multiply, where is it? There it is. There's a function. What it takes zombie underscore id comma kitty underscore DNA. Here it is. So here it is. We have write the syntax that required in this test. So let's check the answer. Yes, it's correct. Great, we have completed the chapter number 12 also. Now let's move on to chapter number 13.